In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get a loan on Credit Karma. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly acquire a personal loan through Credit Karma. The best way to do this is going to be through their website. However, you can also attempt this by using the latest version of their mobile app. As you can see, they have plenty of offerings: credit cards, loans, which is what we're looking for, and then other options. So all that you have to do is click on loans. Now, you will be asked to sign into your account to proceed. You can also choose individual loans, so they have plenty of options: personal loans, debit consolidation, same-day loans, emergency loans, major purchase loans, home improvement, and then some other things at the bottom: personal loans for no credit, for bad credit, personal loans, articles, and calculators. So you can use these tools here if you would like to calculate how much of a loan you can get and how much you would be needing to pay afterwards. So use this beforehand just to have an idea. I highly recommend using this. Then once you set everything up, you will be able to calculate. Now, to actually get the loan, just choose whichever option is best suited for you, and once you select it, you will be redirected into the respective page. So an example would be same day loan. So you will be able to choose here how much you are looking to borrow, the credit score, and a search. And you will be able to see all of the offers at the bottom. You will notice that you do need to log in or sign up, so you have to choose this option. If you don't have an account, create one by using the email and password fields here. Now, if you are outside of the US, you will not be able to do this. So sadly, I apologize, but I won't be able to show you the full process. But regardless, you will be able to get advice and use these tools as long as you are signed in and you are able to find them here at the list. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a loan on Credit Karma. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.